Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, you are going to do a bracelet or a scrunchie using these beautiful hair bands. So now let's see how to do them. Take one, place it on your finger like this, turn like this, and you are going to place it. Should look like X. Next, take the next color, place it on the top. Next, pull the down one up like this. Next, push it down. Take the next color, place it in two fingers, bring the down one, top, bottom, top. Move. Take the next one, place it on the top, bring the bottom at the top, bottom at the top. So likewise you are going to do them till the required size of the bracelet you want. So it looks like this. You have to do them till the required size. Let's see how it looks after doing them. After doing them, it looks like this. So to complete, we'll take this bottom part, take this one side, insert it in between like this, and bring it top like this, make a knot. So now the bracelet is ready. You can use them like bracelet or headband. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.